2020 candidates are treading over key election territory today, including Bernie Sanders and Elizabeth Warren, who have been campaigning in Columbia, South Carolina, after visiting Atlanta yesterday. One important goal during their stops: connect with black voters, a task that, according to polls, they have struggled to do so far. A recent Pew survey shows Sanders and Warren struggling to win over African Americans, while Joe Biden continues to hold a commanding lead in that demographic. Meanwhile, a new NBC News Wall Street Journal poll shows voters with an increasingly negative view of Biden, Warren, and Sanders, with 40% of those surveyed seeing Sanders negatively. With 40% of those surveyed seeing Sanders negatively.